Hey, so now that we understand the search engine results page is influenced by keyword of the searcher, we have to re-engineer the entire process and try to understand what is helping the searcher decide on keywords. Or better put, what keywords are searchers likely to use when they come to search for things in our space, our field, or our market. Now, what are keywords? They are basically words or phrases people type into search engines. We can call these search queries. Why does keyword matter? It shows what our audience are searching for and help us then create content to answer those things or position ourselves as thought leaders on those subject matters. Type of keywords. We have the short tail keyword, we have the long tail keywords, and then we have the buyer intent keyword structure. Example of a short tail keyword would be study abroad, while that of a long tail keyword would be affordable universities in Finland for Nigerians, which is a bit more specific. What's the key takeaway here? Proper keyword research leads to content that ranks better and converts better. What are some keyword research tools that we have? We have Uber Suggest, great for beginners, a paid tool, and it helps with suggestions on keyword difficulties and other keywords. Ahrefs and SEMrush are another professional tool, paid with deep data and details. You could go as much as comparing competitors' pages and finding out what these competitors are ranking for, what keywords the competitors are ranking for. Answer the Public shows common questions people are asking on the internet. Answer Socrates turns your single topic into a whole bunch of search ideas, and I will also say content ideas. Example will be using Uber Suggest to find that the keyword study visa requirements in Finland gets high monthly searches. One of the key takeaway here is that when we are doing your keyword research, there are a couple of things to check, and those are search volume. We need to be sure that people are searching for this keyword. Secondly is the keyword difficulty or search difficulty. That means how many people are actively pushing to rank for this particular keyword. Is it congested? Is it too congested or too hard to rank for? Because if it's too congested, it becomes too hard to rank for. So you want to look for things with high or really good check search volume and low difficulty levels, and then the user intent as well. Now let's do an example. So I want to work on the keyword, I want to find out more about the keyword digital marketing. So let me go to SEMrush, and then here we have the free keyword tools, because it's a paid platform, but it gives us the opportunity to do some searches for free. So I'll input the digital marketing course here and then find keyword. Now this helps me to find other keywords that are around that particular keyword, digital marketing course. I can download this as a file, or I can just copy this and then add them to my catalog of keywords that I find. And remember, we said you have to review the search volume and the keyword difficulty. So we want to look for something with good search volume and really low set keyword difficulty. So we can scroll down and you can find this low difficulty and high, a good amount of search query or search volume. And you can see this being the highest, 55, really high keyword difficulty. So with this, you can then begin to make your decisions or start gathering keywords that you want to build around. Another example we mentioned was the Answer the Public platform. So I'm going to click on this and input Answer the Public. Remember, when people come to search, it means they have questions and they want answers. So we could position ourselves as providing answers for them, thereby bringing them to our platform, be it your website, your blog, and then ultimately converting them into customers. So I'll click on answer the public, and then we can impute the keyword. So we impute the same digital marketing course keyword, English, Nigeria, and then we search. Right? Now searching, it gives us top ideas around digital marketing course search, what people are searching for in that space. So you can see that here. Where can I enroll in a digital marketing course near me? Digital marketing course in Google, digital marketing course online. So you can see the volume as well, the search volume, and of course some of these ones are paid, right? So you have to register to unlock. But you can see for some here. You can see for some here, right? And then the other one I mentioned, the other two we mentioned is answer secrets. Answer secrets. And this helps you to build up a lot of questions from one keyword. So I'll click on this, and then I'm going to type the keyword that we are trying to rank for. Don't forget to always change the country. So I'll input digital marketing course, change this to Nigeria and Nigeria, and then the language remains English, and then I search. Now searching, it gives me a lot of answers. Yeah, so I can see people also ask what is the best course for digital marketing, the 3 month digital marketing course worth it, and all of that. Then we can now begin to see other ideas of things you can create as content, right? Things you can create as content. So you can see them here. All of this you could write blogs posts about, you could write articles about, and so on and so forth. Now let's go check the next one, which will be using the AI feature. So the AI option would be to use perplexity.ai, right, to run some search for main keyword, explain other forms of keyword, NLP keywords, and then be able to find informations or keywords that people are using. So let's jump into that. Now, keyword research using AI. Number one will be to get the main keywords, and this is a prompt. Provide a comprehensive list of top main keywords related to the digital marketing course. Include the terms that are highly relevant and frequently searched by users interested in this topic in Nigeria. The location is also important. For each keyword, include search volume, which is Nigeria, in Nigeria, of course, and keyword difficulty. So let's do that. So I'm going to use perplexity.ai. Click here and input perplexity.ai. Yes, so finding myself in Perplexity, I will now input the prompts that I spoke about earlier, and then so that is it. Yes, provide a complete. And remember, we are changing the topic to digital marketing course. Digital marketing course. Amazing. So enter, and we have ourselves a good amount of, yes, so we have it here. So these are the top keywords that we have, right? Here we go. Now, remember I also mentioned, of course, there are also others. So let's go and check the other one as well. So for the first one, it will help us identify the strongest foundational keywords that define our topic. That's why we did that. And an example will be study in Finland. Of course, we have our example in the digital marketing course, right? Key takeaway here is that we have to start with high volume keywords to understand the core demand. Now, the next one would be to check for NLP keywords or long tail keywords, right? Now,